Okay, I have so little time. I have 10 minutes to get ready. I have a limited amount of products to do this with, and I have to be camera ready. I'm not gonna stop the timer. I'm not gonna edit this footage, so here we go. Okay, I'm gonna start my timer now. First thing I'm gonna do is do my eyebrows because it's 2021 and if you're not focusing on your eyebrows, like, I don't know where you've been. Remember when we all used to pluck the out of our eyebrows? I kind of miss it. Okay, I need to focus. I literally have to pick like what I want to focus on because I can't do everything. Obviously I've chosen brows as one. I think I'm gonna do concealer as another.
I've already wasted 2 minutes? Oh my god.
Concealer's next. Then maybe if I could get like a gloss situation, that would be perfect. A little too clumpy. Oh, I don't think they look that bad. Okay, I'm doing better than I thought. I have 6 minutes. Okay. Another concealer, because I like the two colors together, like an in-between shade. Let's hide the fact that we were up all night last night. I like to use leftover on my eyelids. And nose. Oh my goodness, I didn't think I'd get this far. Now what? Blush. I said I do blush. Wow, that's bright. Blush on the other side. Up to the temples. and blend some of that out. Yeah. Or maybe some on our nose. On sides. So I can leave the middle open for highlight. Oh, leftover highlight under the eyebrow. Let's see what else. Blush as eyeshadow. Yes. How much time do I have left? 4 minutes. Wow, this is kind of a lot of time. What else can I do? Let's do contour. Just a little bit. Yes, mama. Okay. That looks really good. And then let's put some highlight on there. And then blend. I don't know. 3 more minutes. Okay, this is like not that bad. It looks okay in the camera. I'm gonna try and fix my nose. Where I need to take my time. And if I still have time left over, I'd love to do like line my lips and put some gloss on. I hope my gloss is in this bag because I think I took it out. That's okay. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Does that look okay? Oof, I went a little too heavy with the lip liner on the top. That's okay. I can get some like mascara in here. Really clumpy because I feel like my video camera does not pick up tiny lashes. I'll just do the top because the bottom lash line takes way too long. Oh my goodness, do I still have time? I have 35 seconds! Oh my god, that does not look bad at all. That is it. Okay, now that we're done, let's take a closer look and analyze. So let's start with the brows. They're not the best I've ever done, but they're not the worst, which makes me a little bit concerned about when I'm not doing stuff like this. The nose highlight is a bit harsh, but I will say contouring on a time limit is just one of those things. It's like, if you have a time limit, you should just skip that. Just skip it. The eyes came out really good. Clumpy mascara for the win, because that makes it look like you really put like a lot of layers on. Eyeliner, I think, might have saved the whole look. Like, I look like, when you have eyeliner on, you look like you took the time. Concealer, really good. I think I'm just gonna chalk that up to years and years and years of practice. Let's see, contour on the cheeks, also years of practice. And like, look at that highlight right here on my cheek. That's not bad. And then lips, it's not what I was going for, but I don't mind it. I meant to just outline like the outer corners of my lip, and it turned out to be like the whole top lip, and I think you can see that. But I think for makeup that's going to be just shown through my computer lens, I think it's fine.